The pan flutes are a group of musical instruments based on the principle of the closed tube, consisting of multiple pipes of gradually increasing length. Multiple varieties of pan flutes have long been popular as folk instruments. They are considered to be the first mouth organ, ancestor of both the pipe organ and the harmonica. The pipes are typically made from bamboo, giant cane, or local reeds. Other materials include wood, plastic, metal and ivory. Etymology: the pan flute is named after Pan, the Greek god of nature, often depicted with such an instrument. He is the god of shepherds. Structure: the pan flute's tubes are stopped at one end, at which the standing wave is reflected, giving a note an octave lower than the produced by an open pipe of equal length. In the traditional South American style, pipes are fine-tuned to correct pitch by placing small pebbles or dry corn kernels into the bottom of the pipes. Contemporary makers of curved Romanian-style panpipes use wax to tune new instruments. Special tools are used to place or remove the wax. Corks and rubber stoppers are also used, and are easier to quickly tune pipes. Acoustics: the pan flute is an end-blown flute. Sound is produced by the vibration of an airstream blowing across an open hole at the end of a resonating tube. The length of the tube determines the fundamental frequency. An overblown harmonic register is near a twelfth above the fundamental in cylindrical tubes, but can approach an octave jump if a decreasing taper is used. According to the fundamental principle for pan flutes, the frequency and the length of the tube are inversely proportional. Every time the pitch goes up one octave, the frequency doubles. Because there are 12 notes in a chromatic scale or a full octave, every half step in a chromatic scale is multiplied by the 12th root of 2 to get the note next to it. By this, it is possible to calculate the length of any pipe, given that one knows the length of any one pipe. The formula for calculating the length of a pan flute pipe is L equals 4 times frequency equals 8575. Because of a property of compression within the tube, the length must be a little shorter to correct flat pitch. The extra length is helpful for a maker who can use a corker plug at the bottom to adjust the pitch. Some instruments use wax or pellets to tune the fundamental pitch of each tube. A tube that has a diameter 1/10 of its length yields a typical tone color. An inner diameter range between 1/7 and 1/14 of the length L is acceptable. A narrow tube will sound reedy, while a wide one will sound fluty. If you are a perfectionist, multiply the bore diameter by 0.82 and subtract this value from the tube length. This compensates for internal compression, slowing frequency, and the lips partially covering the voicing. Only tiny adjustments will be needed then to adjust fundamental pitch for air density and temperature. Playing: the pan flute is played by blowing horizontally across an open end against the sharp inner edge of the pipes. Each pipe is tuned to a keynote, called the fundamental frequency, by overblowing, that is, increasing the pressure of breath and tension of lips. Odd harmonics, near a twelfth in cylindrical tubes, may also be produced. The Romanian pan flute has the pipes arranged in a curved array, enabling the player to easily reach all the notes by simply swiveling the head. These instruments can also play all the sharps and flats, with a special technique of both tilting the pipes and jaw movement, thus reducing the size of the pipe's opening and producing a change in pitch. An advanced player can play any scale and in any key. There are two styles of vibrato possible: hand vibrato and breath vibrato. In hand vibrato, the player applies a gentle motion to one end of the pan flute in much the same way as the violin vibrato is achieved by rocking the hand from the wrist. Breath vibrato is the same technique used by players of the flute and other woodwinds by use of the player's diaphragm. Variations. The curved-style pan flute was popularized by the Romanian musician Gheorghe Zamfir, who toured extensively and recorded many albums of pan flute music in the 1970s, and by several other artists who began recording at the same time. Today there are thousands of devoted players across Europe, Asia and the Americas. Both the curved and traditional South American variations are also very popular in Peruvian traditional groups and other. It is also made from oak trees in Admont Andean music. In Laos and Thailand, there is a cylindrical version called the wat used in folk music from the Isan region of the country. The player alters notes by rotating the instrument with the hands, rather than by head movements. Type spatial. Wat nai. Note that nai is also the Romanian word for the Middle Eastern reed flute ne, syrinx, siku. Kuvitsi Svirilai Rebro Nai. A small panned flute called chiflo zipro was used by Galician mobile knife sharpeners in Spain, Argentina and Mexico who blew quick, loud scales to announce their arrival in the neighborhood. They were traditionally bored from a block of wood, but more recently have been cast in plastic. The furlinfiu is a popular folk instrument in Brianza, the province of Monza and the southern sides of provinces of Lecco and Como. Quills, an African-American instrument known primarily through the recordings of Henry Thomas in the 1920s and Mississippi blues musician Sid Hemphill. Sonari. Lachemi.